Hi, my name is Rhys. I'm a student at Beaumont College Carlisle. I work at volunteer at rebuild, and I like it because the staff are funny, and this all this stuff you see here will just go to landfill, but people donate it. Really adore it here and find it fun. I do anything really, a bit of moving pallets, or not pallets, moving floorboard and denailing and put into container in the back. I'm working on a bench. I volunteer here in my own time on a Saturday, and I pretty much do the same stuff apart from work on the bench.
Hi, my name is Helen from the Rebuild site in Carlisle. We collect construction waste materials from building sites all over Carlisle and North Cumbria. This saves them all going to landfill, so we've now got a shop area and the public's allowed to come in to visit. And Rhys, we're really pleased, has been supporting us the last 6 months. He started on a Friday, coming with Beaumont College with enthusiasm and just real vigour that comes into the shop, so it's really exciting when he comes. He's always got a chat and a word to say and always something to tell us, and likes his cup of tea. But so he now comes on a Saturday as well, which is really great for us. So he helps us out denailing, doing kindling, sorting shelves, sorting boxes, so it's really amazing to have him.